Hey, what's up, guys? It's DD, and I want to do a short video today about projections and analysis. Us as traders, we follow these different gurus online, and we're always looking for, what are they doing? Are they bullish? Are they bearish? What kind of setups are they looking for? And I'm sure you're in different Telegram channels and stuff like that where you're seeing what these gurus are doing. And, that's all nice and everything. But I find it funny when it comes to a lot of these like signals that they give. Obviously, if they're going to say, buy right now at 110.01, and sell at this, that's something else. But that's usually you have to pay for it. But if you're following just online, some Telegram free channel or watching like the Monday morning thing and like what this trader is going to do with like all of his trades during the week, you'll find a lot of times something like this. Now, I happen to like this trader, and I think that we trade similarly, and he trades the levels. So you see, this is a daily chart, and he's marked off the levels on the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen. And, it's going up, and it had a pullback. And he has all these, important levels in the daily chart, and he has these daily levels in the chart, and it's great. But then he does something like this. Like, I either think it's going to go up, take a bounce, and then I would get in and trade bullish, or it's going to get stuffed up here by this resistance, and then pull back a little and go back up. Or it might even go all the way down here and then pull back even more, then bounce off this level and trade down. So, like, what did I actually gain from this analysis? There's three options over here. And I don't know what it's going to do. Like, if you look at this market, yeah, it's going up. It's a nice big pullback. So I clearly don't know if the, market started topping off over here. It came back up a little. Bottom line is, like, I don't know what it's doing. And how does this help me to see that it's going up and then these are the levels? Like, these are the levels. I agree with you. But to give me three options doesn't really help. And then sometimes, like, a trader will, like, see this and, like, he'll say, oh, it went up and it hit here, and that's exactly what, this trader said, and I'm going to get in over here. That's another thing that you need to know. It's not enough to just know the levels, but you actually have to have a setup. If we look back on in my chart over here on the Swiss franc JPY on the daily, so like I'm not trading off the daily. Like, so first of all, I'm going to go, see what it looks like in the 4-hour. Okay, so you see this like M formation, but we're kind of at the bottom. And here's these levels that we talked about before. This is more of like a 4-hour support level. Go down to like the 1-hour. And, not seeing much at this moment, maybe down to the 15-minute. Maybe I'd want to like do something like this because I see like a double top over here with his double top. And try to scalp a little bit over here, or maybe even go down here. That's something. And that's not even in the level. So, like, when we go back to the daily and we see something like this before, like, I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to do with this. Like, thank you, trader, for showing me three different options about what could happen in the daily chart. But how does this help me trade? And I know that people are, like, actually, getting in when it says, oh, it hit that level and this is an option because it starts to go up a little. I think that's crazy. I mean, you need a setup. You need to see real direction. And, I'm not saying that this trader does anything wrong, but I'm saying, like, it is what it is. Like, he's just showing me three possibilities, and, the bottom line is there's two possibilities. It could go up or go down at any moment. And I need to have a setup before I get in. So that's really what I wanted to say today. And if that's obvious to you guys, awesome. Because don't be fooled by these projections and analyses, but they are just, possibilities. And we know these possibilities ourselves, and don't be fooled or like gullible or think that, it has to go this way just because some, fancy traders said that. Look at it, say, yeah, those are good levels. I'm going to mark off those levels. I'm going to keep those levels in mind. But I want to analyze the market myself, and I'm going to go for a setup that I know consistently works for me. All right, that's all, guys. I think that we got to be really careful with what we watch and, take in all the information, but process it yourselves. All right, guys, DD out.